Take two. As I've mentioned before, every single time it has the starting issue, no matter how many times you turn it off and try restarting it, it'll have the starting issue. But if it doesn't have it, it doesn't have it.